Lab 8D. Hi, Joe Cerrone. We're going to go through and model this part. This is another part from Lab 8 in which we practice for the Solidworks Certified Associate Exam, CSWA. This is a part that is created in inches. The material will be 6061 alloy type of aluminum. And we'll start off, we'll locate the origin right here at this bottom right hand corner, and we'll work off of the right plane. So let's get started. Sorry about that. File new. Part. Plain white. Units are already set for inches, so we don't need to change anything with that. We're going to go to the right plane, right click, sketch, and then we're going to sketch this shape right here. Here's our origin. So we'll come up 2 inches, 1 inch over. And then we'll add our smart dimensions. One inch. Point 5. .5. Two inches to this edge. That looks horizontal. Let's see what other dimensions we can get. Gonna need 1 inch from the top edge to there. And I'm gonna assume that these 2 points are lined up. one on top of the other. And so if we look here, this point here is vertical. So I'm going to apply a relation of vertical add relation. I say this point and this point, and we're going to say vertical, green check mark. And that did it. It's fully defined. We're going to come back here and then we're going to extrude this mid-plane, and we're going to do that to a value of A, which is 3 inches. Features, extrude boss base, mid-plane, green check mark. Okay, and then we're going to again sketch on this right hand plane, which is right down the middle. And what we're going to do is we're going to sketch this triangular shape here, and then we're going to extrude cut that a distance of B, which is 1 inch. So going to the right plane, I'm going to right click on it, start a sketch, spacebar, normal to, and I'm going to say sketch, line, and I'm going to go from here just like that, and hit escape. And then we're going to extrude that with an extrude cut, and that's also going to be mid-plane, and that's going to be a distance of B, which is 1 inch. Alright, so we've modeled the part. We've extrude cut. Now the material is a 6061 alloy, and we're going to see if we can match their value. So we'll right click on material, edit material, aluminum alloys, 6061. Evaluate, mass property, and we're getting 0.87 pounds. I'm going to put it right on the side here by putting a center line, and then I'm going to hit escape, go to the text. This is curves, that's my curve, and I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to hit the green check mark. And that completes this exercise, Lab 8D.